Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this out of this world cake pan cornbread salad. This salad is one of the best things you will ever try in your life. So let's get started. Alright, start off with a sheet pan. You're going to line it with some aluminum foil and we're going to put this bacon down. We're gonna put this bacon into a cold oven, and then once it's in there, close it and turn your oven on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is gonna bake for 10 minutes, then we're gonna flip them over. We're gonna work now on the cornbread. Whoa. Now typically, I do make cornbread from scratch. I have a few videos on my channel if you guys wanna check them out, but I know you guys are gonna be using this Jiffy cornbread. And I have a special technique to make this the most moist cornbread ever. I'm gonna add 2 eggs into this bowl with a cup of sour cream, 2/3 cup of milk, and you're gonna need some oil. A lot of you guys will probably use vegetable oil, but I find that coconut oil complements the cornbread very well. And it's a little bit more healthy, if that matters. So you're gonna add a 1/2 cup of oil. This is just melted in the microwave. And if you like your cornbread a tad bit sweeter, you would add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a mix just until it's incorporated. I have here a greased 13 by 9 inch pan. Whatever sheet pan you're gonna be serving your salad in is the one you wanna use, just for easy cleanup. So get everything in there, and this is gonna bake for about 13 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna throw it in there with that bacon that is almost ready. The house smells incredible. Before I put the cornbread in, I'm just gonna flip it once. It's just way easier cleanup, and it's just easier in general to cook bacon in the oven. Do you guys feel the same way? I never knew about this until I worked at one of my jobs and they only cook the bacon this way. The bacon is almost done and I got the cornbread going in. Alright, now for the fun parts. Chop, 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 chop. Don't forget about the bacon. I'm gonna quickly take it out of the oven and I'm gonna position the cornbread into the middle of the rack. And some green onion, some tomato, bell pepper, and last but not least, this big old cucumber. I'm taking out a few of the seeds just because it's like every time I eat cucumber, I mean I like it, but it's just water, so to me it just is a useless vegetable. No offense. You know what guys, I almost forgot. Look at the bacon. Since I'm here at the chopping block, I'm gonna chop all my bacon. It looks so delicious, doesn't it? I could just eat this whole entire thing. Look at that. Alright, now that everything is nicely chopped, it's time for the best part. Save the best for last, the dressing. So today I'm going to be using this Bolthouse Farms ranch, and I like this dressing versus other brands of ranch because it only has 50 calories versus the other dressings which have like 100, 120. It's made with, I guess, yogurt instead of full fat like oil and mayonnaise. And then the barbecue sauce I'm going to be using today is this Sweet Baby Ray's. You know, use whatever you like. Add to a bowl 1.5 cups of ranch. I'm just gonna put like the whole bottle. How many grams is this? This is 12 ounces. Alright, well that works out well. And then for the barbecue sauce, you're gonna add 1/2 cup. Now that the dressing is made, our cornbread is ready and it's been fully cooled. Look how beautiful it looks. It smells unbelievable. And the best part of all is this cornbread is so moist and delicious. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna assemble this salad. The first thing you want to do is cut this cornbread into cubes, small cubes. Oh my gosh, you can feel the moistness of this bread as you're cutting it. Let me show you guys how good this looks. Look at this bread. Oh man, look at it, it's so delicious. I mean, it's crumbly. I'm gonna just eat this. Now get your little handy spatula and just kind of like plump your squares up. Haha, this is kind of fun. You know what? Let's just skip the salad and eat this. Alright guys, now that the cornbread is ready, it's time to assemble this salad. So lay out your cubes just as so. You're gonna top this with that very dried lettuce. It's spun out, so there shouldn't be any moisture on it. Kind of pat it down, because these are gonna be a lot of toppings. We're gonna add the cucumber. Add the cucumber first because there's not really a nice color to this cucumber. I know I'm hating so much on it, but it adds a pretty good flavor. Next, the tomatoes. And then this is a can of rinsed beans and corn. These are pinto beans, by the way. You could use black beans, bell pepper, red onion. I'm not gonna add the whole thing. Best parts. The bacon. I don't know if the bacon is the best part or the cornbread. Actually, maybe it's the cheese. This is cheddar cheese. And then last, I have here some green onions. You know, just for looks. All right, guys, and look at that. This salad, you know, is gonna be the best thing at any potluck or barbecue. It's gonna drive everybody crazy. Now, if you're making this the day before, be sure to cover it very tightly with some plastic wrap. And if you wanted to, you could put the dressing on top of the cornbread and then put all the veggies on top, like the lettuce and everything else. This salad just tastes so good as it sits. You think that it would get wilted, but the flavors just blend together so well. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna pour some dressing just over one side, because as you guys may already know, I'm gonna be eating this all week. Man, the colors are just so pretty. Now for the best part, the taste test. Get everything in there. When you're putting your fork down in here, there's so many different textures. There's like the creaminess of the bean and the crispiness of the bacon and the lettuce and the fresh onion. This is gonna be very exciting. Let's give it a try. Holy mackerel, this is like one of the best salads I have ever had in my life. It tastes exactly like a barbecue cook-off. And that cornbread, whoa. Alright guys, now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.